You should not be here, senor.
Puss? You've got to be kidding me.
Feed me, if you dare.
Puss, what happened to you? You got so fat. Fancy.
Do I know you?
Well, where's your hat? Where's your belt? Your wee little boots.
Boots! For a cat!
But you're Puss in Boots.
Maybe once. But that is a name I have outgrown.
That's not the only thing you've outgrown.
Hey! I may have let myself go a little since retirement. But hanging up my soul was the best decision of my life. I have all the cream I can drink and all the mice I can chase. I'll get him later.